Big Bird brings crack to Sesame Street.
By Dr. Seuss.
I did this already.
One morning, Big Bird went for a walk down Sesame Street.
Gee, what a wild, windy day.
But as Big Bird walked past Oscar's garbage can...
Hey,
Big Bird.
want some crack?
Gee, Oscar.
I don't know what that is.
Here's the crack.
Oh, no thanks.
You don't need to give me anything. I'm not gonna burn in hell.
Oh, it's the least I can do for a fellow
Roach.
And believe me, you'll be doing me a favor by taking this.
Really? How?
You do this stuff once, and you'll be coming back for more.
Who needs the sun?
Well, if it really helps you, what do I do with it?
A kid your age, I'd smoke it.
Oh, I'm too young to smoke.
Smoking isn't cool.
Don't worry, there's no legal age limit for this stuff.
It's not
A weed brownie.
Oh, no.
Not a
Weed brownie.
Well, I guess it's okay then.
Goodbye, Oscar.
Big Bird walked back toward his nest.
Oh, there are so many.
Crack!
It's hard to decide. I know. I'll
Smoke
at all.
Hallelujah.
I wonder how it feels to be a rainbow. A colorful umbrella for the sun. With red and yellow hues, with violets, greens, and blues, like brightly colored ribbons newly spun. Oh, I wonder how it feels to be a rainbow. I bet it would be lots and lots of fun. I wonder how it feels to be a shower. A waterfall of raindrops from the sky. I help the flowers grow and make the rivers flow. I feed the earth whenever rain clouds cry.
Hey, wait a minute! This is the wrong footage! Why are we showing this?
Oh, hi, Mr. Snuff. I didn't see you coming.
Hello, bird.
How do you like my nice new...
Disguise.
Crack?
Isn't it pretty?
Oh, that's terrible, bird. Where did you get it?
Oh, well, Oscar gave it to me.
Bird, do you mind if I talk to you about something? It's very important. Would it take very long? Nope. Well, talk away, Snuffy. Well, it's just that this crack can be very dangerous. Dangerous? Yes, that's just what my mommy told me. She said smoking crack is forbidden. You'll go to hell if you keep doing this stuff. Hey, it's no big deal. But you could get hurt. Oh, I'll be fine. You see, this is a special kind of crack. Really? What's so special about it? Well, it's not a weed brownie, and there's no age limit to it. Oscar told me so. Besides, nothing bad can ever happen to me. Well, if it really helps you, then I wonder if I'll try some crack anyway. Well, yeah, I bet you could. Sure, why don't you ask Oscar for some?
I will.
Okay. Oh, you better hurry.
I am hurrying, bird. I was always clown, way up in the blue. I don't sky, just looking for you. And if it's all you walking down the road, the little rain, say hello. And if it's not too hot, I shade you. I will let the sunshine fade you. And if it's all you go to sleep at night, I got a balloon, the turn of the light.